So when we insert this disk, we can see that this disk for some reason has the wallpaper from the trailer. Yeah, you can see it. And I actually kinda liked it, so I used it as my own wallpaper. Now, we also have the sourceGROOVE folder itself, and we have a readme file here. And it says, warning, this is a beta build of sourceGROOVE which may have errors, crashes, bugs, etc. and you may not distribute this copy of sourceGROOVE. And it has the date probably of the build, 26th of November 2006. And we have the text itself, which says, congratulations on getting the early copy of sourceGROOVE by Black Doom team. sourceGROOVE trademark is a software built from MDL manip engine by Black Doom team to manipulate source engine models. The sourceGROOVE now only supports GM construct, and it is in an early stage. The models use pre-made animations assigned to each band member. The sourceGROOVE can be used for making music videos, concerts, etc. I will launch the sourceGROOVE from my desktop because I already have it here. It kinda takes a lot of time to load, but eventually we get to the loading screen, which is just a placeholder. Now, in the app itself, we have a bunch of stuff going up, but we first need to actually create the project. Here it is. And now we can see that we have a bunch of stuff here. We have the timeline, and we have the blocks for the timeline, and the corresponding tracks on the timeline itself. On the timeline we have the zoom slider, which makes the timeline bigger or smaller. We also have the crowd settings, because the sourceGROOVE features stuff like that. The length is limited to 4.5 minutes. And here we have a bunch of blocks for the sequence itself. We have a bunch of instruments like the guitars, the drums, the vocals, and etc. We also can drag them and place them on their corresponding tracks. But what's weird that the lengths of the blocks are different. Like in the other constructors they're the same, but here they're different. And the sourceGROOVE also has the crowd effects, the light effects, the camera effects, and the stage effects. And now when we finish making the sequence, we can press the play button. And when we